Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really practical accessory for anyone using certain TeachLogic audio systems. This is the TeachLogic Shelf Mount Kit. If you got a TeachLogic Forum, Forum 232, Maxim 3, Spectrum 3, or VoiceLink 3, you know these are essential pieces of equipment, often used in dynamic environments like classrooms, training rooms, or conference spaces where organization and accessibility are key. But where do you place the main unit? Just leaving on a desk, cart, or even the floor can lead to clutter, potential damage, or simply look unprofessional. That's precisely where this dedicated shelf mount kit becomes invaluable. It's engineered specifically to provide a secure, stable, and dedicated spot for your compatible TeachLogic unit. The primary benefit is getting the unit off surfaces where it might be in the way or at risk. Mounting it on a shelf frees up valuable desk or floor space, significantly reduces clutter, and helps protect the equipment from accidental bumps, knocks, or spills that can happen in busy environments. It contributes to a much cleaner, more organized, and professional-looking setup. While we don't have the physical kit here to demonstrate the installation process step by step, the design intent of a product like this is typically focused on straightforward and secure mounting. Because it's custom designed for these specific TeachLogic models, you can expect it to provide a perfect, snug fit, ensuring the unit is held firmly in place once mounted onto a suitable shelf. This custom fit is crucial for stability and peace of mind. Another positive point is the inclusion of a 12-month warranty from TeachLogic. This provides reassurance, knowing that the manufacturer stands behind the quality and durability of the mount kit itself for a full year. It adds confidence in your purchase. In summary, the TeachLogic Shelf Mount Kit for the Forum, Forum 232, Maxim 3, Spectrum 3, and VoiceLink 3 isn't just a simple bracket. It's a functional solution that enhances the usability and longevity of your audio system by providing a safe, organized, and professional mounting option. For users of these specific TeachLogic models, investing in this mount seems like a highly practical step to optimize their setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.